Today we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace the buttons on the air water syringe on our Inovadent dental cart. This will be the same buttons as on our tabletop units as well as our wall mount units. We're going to turn off the pressure from the tank going to the system. This one here happens to have a lever valve. Some of them will have a screw valve up on top, depending upon which model you have. Anyway, we want to turn both those off as well as our water to the air to our water bottles. Once we drain our air out of our system, we're going to go ahead and we want to remove this little pin that's in the head of the unit. And we'll do that by pressing down on both buttons. I'm using a small Allen wrench to press in and push that pin through. As you can see, it dropped out just fine. I'll turn this over and we'll pull the two little buttons out. There's that spring popped out with it. If the spring does stick in there, you can loosen it with a little piece of wire, and there that one drops out as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a little paper towel. We're going to kind of twist it and we're going to force it down into the reservoir here and just kind of wipe that out, whatever debris may be in there. We'll do that to both sides. There shouldn't be very much debris at all or any dirt coming out, but it will be a little black from some buildup from the O-rings. Maybe a little water set in there for a while if you were not using the ultra scale, and could be a little bacteria buildup as well. So this here's all pretty well to go ahead and reassemble. We're going to go ahead and replace the springs, placing the larger diameter down. As you can see, they're kind of cone shaped. And once they're in, then we'll go ahead and we'll just put the buttons back in place as well, the new ones. And we're going to press the buttons down and replace our pin. And this pin can come in and out either side. And once that's in all the way, we're good to go. And that pin should flow in there freely as long as we're not hitting the O-rings or anything and you have those buttons pressed down all the way. Go ahead and reapply the air to the system and we're good to go.